In the summer of 2023, the first section of a new fully automatic train system went into operation in the Canadian city of Montreal, linking the city centre with the residential areas on the other side of the St. Lawrence River. The short intervals between trains mean a heavy burden is placed on the infrastructure. Regular grinding of the rails is part and parcel of the maintenance concept. In action in Montreal is the HSG City Smart from Foslo. Not only does it grind, it also makes exact measurements of the state of the rails both before and after grinding. The data obtained in the process are imported automatically into the Maple system.
Only a few hours later, you get a detailed report, color-coded in Maple, to show all the hotspot areas that you have, and you see exactly what's wrong with it and what you have to do to mitigate it.
This information enables maintenance to be planned in advance. Here in Montreal, only a few hours a day are available for maintenance work. This time window can be exploited to maximum effect using the HSG City Smart. Grinding ensures minor defects are eliminated at an early stage, which extends the service life of the rails. In addition, travel comfort is increased and operating noise is reduced. In the years to come, Montreal's Réseau Express Métropolitain will be extended to a total length of 67 kilometers.